Molweni, let us look at some typical teacher expressions in this video. Just random expressions. The pupils are making a noise. Tulani, the ni in brackets indicates that you are talking to more than one. Tulani bafundi, be quiet pupils. Alternatively, niyanqola, niyanqola, nqola, make a noise. Listen, mamelani, remember that the ni always indicates plural. So mamela, mamelani. Do you understand? Uyaqonda, uyaqonda. Do you singular understand? Niyaqonda. Do you all understand? Niyaqonda. Sit down. Hlala phansi, to one. Hlalani phansi, to many. Take out your books. Khupha incwadi, or kuphani incwadi. Open your books. Vula incwadi. Vulani incwadi. Do you have a pencil? Unayo ipensile. Unayo ipensile. To which the reply may be, ewe ndinayo. Ewe ndinayo, I have one. Or hayi andinayo. Andinayo, I don't have one. Asking, where is your pencil? Iphi ipensile yakho? Iphi ipensile yakho? Where is your pencil? The pupil could produce it and say, nansi, nansi, or yole. Here it is, this is it. You may have asked a question to the class and you want one of the pupils' opinion. You could then say, uthini wena, uthini wena, which literally means, and what do you say? What do you think? A pupil or pupils may just get up and start walking out, and in which case you could ask, uyaphi, to one, uyaphi, or niyaphi, where are you going? And you could add, sukuhamba, or sukuphuma nje. Don't just walk out, don't just leave. In the plural, sanukuhamba, or sanukuphuma nje. Don't, as I say, just leave or walk out. If there's talking in the class, sukuthetha, to one. Sanukuthetha, to more than one. If there's eating in the class, sukutya eklasini, sukutya eklasini, or sanukutya eklasini. That is to more than one. No eating in class. Some pupils have the bad habit of putting the pencil in their mouths. You could say, khupha, take out. Khupha ipensile, take the pencil out. Khupha ipensile emlonyeni, emlonyeni. Take the pencil out of your mouth. You may have asked a question and you want one of the pupils to answer, and you can say, ewe, wena, pendula, or ewe, pendula, wena. Pendula is to answer. If pupils have done well, or one pupil has done well, you could say, wenze kakuhle, wenze, W-E, wenze kakuhle, you have done well. And in the plural, nenze kakuhle, nenze kakuhle. A pupil may have left his book at home. Question, iphi incwadi yakho? Iphi incwadi yakho? and the response could be isekhaya. Isekhaya, it is at home. There are of course many other typical teacher phrases, but these are just a few icebreakers that you can use. Enkosi kakhulu bafundi.